So in this video, I will show you how you can use your mobile device as a remote for your Samsung television. So step number one, what we need to do is head over to our App Store. And once we head over to our App Store, you just simply want to search for TV Remote. So once we search for TV Remote, you then want to download and install the top one here, so TV Remote Universal, and then we can then click to open it up. Now, once you open it up, it will look like this, and whenever you click on a button, it will ask you to connect to your TV. So to be able to do this, what you need to do first of all is you need to make sure that your mobile phone and your television are both connected to the same internet and Wi-Fi. So once I go ahead and click on OK, for example, it will then bring up a list of the televisions that are available to connect to in my house. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Samsung 7 series, and then it will say connecting. And then you want to then go over, as you can see in the top right of the television there is an option for it to connect. You want to click on allow. And then once we click on allow, what you will then be able to do is you will then be able to change the volume. You will be able to go back, and you will also be able to change the channel and move it around, as you can see. So it's just as simple, guys. That's how you can use your phone as a remote for your Samsung TV.